welcome to the Business Spotlight Series, episode 39, Holiday Edition. Today we're here with Keegan Rodgers of the Lakehouse Bakery. How are you doing?
I'm great, Terrence. How are you?
Oh, always well. Excited to be here, excited to see what you got for us. Today Keegan's going to be showing us how to do a traditional apple pie, American classic, so Keegan, take it away.
Absolutely. Thanks, Terrence. I appreciate it. So apple pies are one of my favorite things on the planet. I just absolutely love everything about pie. Any kind of pie, I'll eat it. But apple is America's favorite pie, and it's one of my favorites. I think my absolute favorite would be lemon meringue. What's yours?
Oh, God, probably a pecan. Pecan pie.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is I've already got my pie dough made. We make a lot of pie dough here. We make it all by hand. And we keep it in discs so it's easy to roll out. So I'm just going to add a little flour to the countertop. Going to grab my handy dandy rolling pin and just start rolling. We keep it in a disc so that as I'm rolling out, it stays round. So it's a little bit easier to work with.
Looks like you've done this before.
Once or twice. Once or twice. And I'm just going for a nice even round shape. Just enough to fill the pie tin. We use tins, but if you've got like grandma's heirloom ceramic or glass Pyrex, just round enough so that it fits in the tin or in the ceramic base. And you'll know when you get there, fairly thin, nice and light and even. So we've got our tin, we're just gonna slap it in. And we want to make sure that the pie shell goes all the way around the edge and into the bottom. So I'm kind of pressing it down in the corners.
Sure.
And since this is going to be a crumb-topped pie, I'm not too terribly worried about the edges right now. I'm going to set that aside for a second. And now apples.
Apples.
Michigan apples are the best in the world. We've got some Michigan apples. We've got some pie mix. So this is flour, sugar, and some spices.
Sugar and spice.
We're just going to sprinkle some of that on. And this is going to create a really great sauce in the pie with the juices from the apple.
Nice.
And you just want to toss it.
Again, you've done this before.
Just a few times, yeah. It's a little bit trickier with blueberries and spraying because they want to kind of go everywhere, but yeah. And then bring the pie shell back over. We're just going to put it right in.
Smells so good.
And then just make sure we're filled up. We've got the spices everywhere. We've got everything looking nice and pretty.
Looks pretty.
Then we're going to take our crumb topping and just sprinkle this all over the top.
Oh, yeah.
Try not to make too much of a mess.
Now, what is the crumb topping made of?
Flour, sugar, butter.
Okay.
Three of the four main food groups for me. The fourth, of course, is chocolate.
There you go.
Gotta have chocolate in there. Alright, we just cover the whole thing.
Oh, yeah.
Make sure all the apples are covered with the crumb. Any crumb that got on the pan, we just want to pick it up and put it on the sides.
Excellent.
Kind of pat it down. The nice thing about this is it's super easy. Not too much involved in it.
No. Obviously, cutting and peeling the apples takes a minute.
It does take a little bit of time, but yeah, that's about the only thing.
Yep.
And then this is ready for the oven, just like this.
That's fantastic. And how long we throw it in for?
About 45 minutes to an hour.
45 to an
And
hour.
we'll make sure it's nice and golden and it's nice and crispy.
And then when it comes out of the oven, we end up getting something looking a little bit like that.
Just like that.
Oh, yeah.
Nice golden color. You can see some apples through it. And you can kind of see on the edge, maybe you can't tell, there's some flavor dripping on the edge there, some of the juices. So that's an apple pie with some ice cream.
A la mode.
There you go.
Yeah,
that's
that
it.
looks amazing. Well,
That's it.
I'm super hungry. I love the magic of how we were able to make that look like this. In the
I know, it's great, isn't it?
Yeah,
That's awesome.
True cook and show magic there. Yeah, it's fantastic. Well, thank you very much. That
My
was so
pleasure.
quick and so easy. I hope everybody found that informationally helpful. Now you're going to be taking some time off here for the holiday.
We will. We'll be closed from Christmas Day and we'll open back up on Tuesday the 4th.
Tuesday the 4th. So,
But come back, I've got a pie class coming up in January.
Oh, there we
January
go.
21st is National Pie Day.
and what are some of those pies that you'll be doing?
We'll be making the pie dough from scratch. It never fails. It always works. It's so easy to make.
Oh, very
And we'll be making either an apple pie or a cherry pie. I'm not sure which one. We'll see which one I feel like making.
Yeah, maybe cherry since you did the apple today. That's great. Yeah. Well, thanks a lot for showing us this today, and thank you everybody for watching, and thank you to Grifta Marketing for sponsoring, facilitating as always. We'll see you guys all next year. Have a happy holiday and Merry Christmas. See you later.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.